inside of your Take and Make kit are the following contents: glue, 24 craft sticks, and 4 pieces of twine. To complete this craft, you'll also want to grab a pair of scissors. Let's get started making our bird nesting material dispenser for our good friend. Our first step is constructing one side of the dispenser. Count out 8 craft sticks. Before we glue, let's prepare by lining up the sticks. 4 of your craft sticks will lay side by side vertically like this. Proceed by placing the other 4 sticks on top in a horizontal fashion to form a grid. When you feel that your layout is solid, grab your glue. Squeeze a dot on each part of the vertical sticks where you want your horizontal stick to be, like so. Place your horizontal stick and press gently. And then continue in this fashion for the remainder. When you are done, set aside and repeat this process to construct the 3 sides necessary for your dispenser. When you have constructed your dispenser's 3 sides, allow 30 minutes for them to dry so that they have strength as foundational pieces. When dry, form a triangle by holding up and positioning 2 of the foundational pieces over one grounded piece like so, and then gently let those walls touch at the tip to form a peak. Now it's time for scissors and twine. First, set aside 2 of the 4 pieces of twine for later. To reinforce your structure, take 1 piece of twine, thread it through one end of the peak to join the walls together, tie a knot like so, and right now it's fragile, so it might tip over, and that's okay, you can just reposition. So tie a knot. I might tie a second knot to strengthen. And then you want to take your scissors and cut. Be mindful how you cut the knot so you have enough twine for the remaining reinforcements. I'm cutting pretty close to the knot itself. Repeat this reinforcing step for the peak's other end and middle. Once your peak is reinforced, it's time to join the walls, or the roof if you will, to the base. Like you did before, thread your twine through one end of the base to connect to its adjacent wall. And then tie a knot or two. And take your scissors and mindfully cut. And then repeat this reinforcing step for the base's other end and middle. And then you will repeat this process on the opposite side. Once you've secured your roof and your base, it's time to grab your two remaining pieces of twine for hanging. Thread one piece of long twine through one end of the peak and tie a knot at the top of the string, like this. Repeat this step for your second piece of long twine on the opposite end of your roof. And voila! Good job constructing your bird nesting material dispenser. And now it's time to forage for natural materials safely with a trusted adult. At your home, a loved one's home, or a park, respectfully gather materials outside that bird parents-to-be would like. Remember, we want to help them build a nest for their babies, so we need to know what is safe and what is not safe. Some examples of things that are not safe for birds include string, or for that matter, any leftover twine from this craft, pet or human hair, and any synthetics such as foil or dryer lint. Organic materials that are safe for nesting birds include twigs or sticks, dead leaves, picked leaves or foliage, and pesticide-free grass clippings. And if you haven't already, you can get more safe nesting materials from your local Sonoma County Library branch. When you're at your local library, go up to the reference desk and ask your very friendly librarian for a child's handful of Spanish moss and straw. Thanks, Adriel. When you've collected your safe forage materials and library provided materials, you're ready to fill your bird nesting dispenser. With your trusted adult's help, find a safe place outside to hang your dispenser where you think birds will visit, such as a tree branch. Thank you for caring about your local songbirds. Tweet, tweet!